As you can see, I'm at the office and I'm editing. Kip is singing to the baby birds in our ceiling over there to get them to sleep. Hi, Jenny.
I think I made them quiet.
I think you made them quiet too. You did so good. You're such a big boy.
Let's go.
Give me 5.
Mama, let's go, Mama.
Wait a minute. I hear them. You need to go sing to them some more. They're still awake.
Mommy, what's the way over there?
You can't see them. They're up there at the top. Do you hear them?
I've seen them come.
Well, they're up in the ceiling. They're not in that little hole, but that's interesting all the same. Can you hear them?
But I see this.
Let's listen.
I think it's in basement.
Listen.